What if the real reason your food business isn't getting daily orders has nothing to do with your food? Think about this. You wake up early. You prepare fresh ingredients. You cook amazing meals. Customers love your food when they try it. But most days, the orders are slow. Some nights the kitchen is busy. Other nights, it's almost empty. And you sit there wondering something painful. Why are other restaurants always full, while mine is struggling? Here's the truth most food business owners never hear. In 2026, the restaurants winning aren't just cooking better food. They're using AI to get attention. Because the biggest problem today isn't bad food. It's being invisible online. If people don't see your business on their phone, they simply won't order from you. And smart food businesses have already figured this out. Let me show you something interesting. A small restaurant owner in Texas was struggling for months. Great food, great service, but very few orders. Then he started using simple AI tools. And within a few months, something surprising happened. Orders started coming in every single day. Not because his food suddenly became better, but because more people started seeing it. The first tool he used was ChatGPT. Most restaurant owners write boring social media captions like, "Fresh burgers available today." But that doesn't make people hungry. Instead, ChatGPT helped him create captions like, "Imagine biting into a juicy burger with melted cheese, fresh lettuce, and a toasted bun. Ready in 10 minutes. Order now before we sell out tonight." Suddenly, people stopped scrolling. They clicked. They ordered. The second tool he used was Canva AI. Because in the food business, visuals are everything. People decide in seconds whether your food looks delicious or not. With Canva AI, he started creating eye-catching promotions, food posters, and menu graphics in minutes. Bright images, clear offers, beautiful designs. Now his posts looked like they came from a professional marketing agency, and people noticed. But the biggest surprise came from something very simple. Google Business Profile. Most restaurant owners ignore it, but when someone searches, "best pizza near me," "best burger near me," Google shows nearby restaurants first. He started uploading photos regularly, posting updates, encouraging customers to leave reviews. Within weeks, his restaurant started appearing higher in local searches. And that meant something powerful. More visibility, more clicks, more customers walking in. He also used automation tools like ManyChat. Now when customers send a message asking for the menu, they instantly receive the menu, location, and ordering link. No waiting, no missed customers, just faster service. Now imagine combining all of this. AI writing your marketing, AI designing your promotions, AI helping customers discover your restaurant, AI responding instantly to messages. That's when your business stops depending on luck and starts running on a smart system. This is exactly why I created SmartBizAI, because thousands of small business owners are working extremely hard every day. But they're missing the tools that could completely transform their business. And the truth is simple. In 2026, the businesses that learn AI will grow faster. Not because they work more hours, but because they work smarter. So if you want to attract more customers, get daily orders, and grow your food business with simple AI tools, subscribe to SmartBizAI, because the future of small business isn't just hard work. It's smart work powered by AI.